My name is Innocensia John from University of Salaam in Tanzania, from the Department of Agriculture, Economics and Business. I'm also the head of department there, and I have been attending the workshop on how to communicate my research work, which has been funded by Access Agriculture and RUFORUM. And today is the third day of the training, and it has been a very interesting workshop. The fact that I've been working with farmers for the past 10, 12 years, and I have never had a chance to communicate my research work in an easier way. The highlight of the session has been I've managed to write a blog, which I've even shared it with my colleagues at work. But apart from that, now I can make my own videos, and it just brought so much excitement, the fact that now I can go back to the field and then just go back and talk to the farmers again, but this time in a different way. I record what they're doing, they tell me their stories in a better way, and I can share that even in a wider group, rather than just writing scientific papers and working papers, which doesn't read a larger audience, and the farmers need it simplified so they can get the message. And not only farmers in Tanzania, but now it can go further to so many African countries and outside Africa. So the workshop has been really interesting for me, and I now have my own blog. I have my own camera that I can record, and I have met an amazing group of people in the workshop. So it's the connection as well that make a huge difference, bringing a huge difference in Africa. Thank you.